Meaning of evaluate.
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 Evaluate. Evaluate refers to the process of assessing or judging something based on a set of standards or criteria. In other words, it involves analyzing and forming an opinion or conclusion about the quality, value, or significance of something. This could refer to anything from a piece of art to a scientific experiment to a job candidate's performance. The result of an evaluation is typically a rating, score, or recommendation based on the criteria used for assessment, which can be used to make decisions or improvements in the future.